Hi everybody, I'm here to explain to you how to measure current, voltage, and understand Ohm's law in this circuit that I'm doing right now, as you can see in the electronic room. So I just finished to set up every electric circuit that I have in here. I made an electric circuit in series with the resistors in series with their values, and also I draw the map to get it like calculated later. As you can see here, I got the red cable on the left part of the resistor and the black cable on the right to measure the voltage. So we turn on the voltage, we set it up until actually 8 voltages, and now we turn it on to measure the voltage. As you saw, it was 2.49 voltages. That is pretty good. That means that it is calculating that we are looking for. Well, now what I'm gonna do is the same thing, just with the next resistor. In this case, this resistor has 220 ohms. So we'll be expecting an absorption of more voltage than the first one and not the third one. As you can see, 3.01 voltages. That is something good. It means that our circuit is working as it's supposed to be, and I just brought down the value. And now I'm gonna do the same thing with the third one. That is, it has to be the same value as the first one because they're in series, and also the first resistance has the same resistance as the third one, that is 180 ohms. So we are expecting kind of like the same reading. As you can see, 2.49 as the first one. So we did something good. And also we can like see that if the resistance are in parallel, they have the same voltage, and this is how we measure the voltages. And now to measure current is pretty simple. The first thing that we gotta do is break the circuit through a resistor. So for example, we break it and we put the black wire with it and the red one on the next resistor, so we can see how much is the current. And also we gotta change the station of it from volts to current. As we can see, we got 0.014 A, so that's the value that we need, and all have the same because they are in series. So this law applies and we use it. So also you can see that I apply the rule that in series all have the same current, so I apply it here. So we can see that we know how to apply these kind of like techniques to get the voltage and current. So now I did a table of what I had. We already measured the values, we already know that. So now we're gonna show you how to calculate this value with Ohm's law. Ohm's law is B equal I multiplied by R, and in this case I'm gonna multiply 0.14 by 18 to get the voltage number 1, that is 2.52. As you can see, in the voltage number were measured, they are pretty similar, 2.49 and 2.52. Obviously this is not gonna be like 100% accurate, but at least you can see that we were pretty close. Our percent error is pretty low, so we can see that our circuit was pretty good build up, and our calculated things that we did in this equation were right. And now I'm gonna use this Ohm's law to calculate the first resistance. So what I'm gonna do is take the 2.49 measure and divide it by the 0.14 measure. That is our current. In a few seconds I'm gonna divide that, and it's gonna give me a close number to 18. 17.785. That is pretty good. We can round it, and it's basically 18. It means that we did a good job, and we know how to get these values, measure and calculate it. And this is it. Yeah, it was pretty long. I did a series circuit, and yeah, thanks for watching.